Hello families, welcome back to my channel, my old subscriber and my new subscriber. You are all welcome. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do a bridal ponytail bun. So guys, I'm using extension 27 and color 30 mixed together, and I also use bridal bun. Can you see? And I use Got2b glue. You also need your spray gel for extra hold. You need your scissors and you need nets, as in net for wigging. For this particular one, I'm using another net. I love trying new thing. You also need your clip to clip the bun. Can you see, guys? You need to clip. So after that, you go ahead and you cut the hair into three or anyhow you want it. Then you shove it out. After shoving it, you go ahead and you mix it thoroughly together for the two colors to blend together. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm mixing the color 27 and color 30 together. So make sure you mix it thoroughly so that everything will blend well. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and please turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. And let me know in the comment section if you love the video, guys. So after when you're done with the shoving, you use your brush to brush it thoroughly. Then this is wave on gloss. I'm actually adding in to make it look very smooth. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? So I'm adding it to it to make it smooth. Yeah, this is exactly what it's going to look like. So after that, you go ahead. You also need your doll head to achieve this lovely tutorial. Then you put your nails. If you are using the normal net, you put your clip to hold it. But this particular net I'm using is another type. So after that, you go ahead and you tie the edges of the extension with rope, as in the thread, the sewing thread. Can you see? You tie it very well. Make sure it's firm. So when you're done, you cut the excess one at the edges away. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? You cut it away. Yeah. Now let's get started for the tutorial. This is exactly where we are going to, guys. So you place the tape where you create the knot. You place it on the net and you tie it up just to tack it together with the net. Can you see what I'm doing? Make sure you tack it very well to stay firm. Yeah, can you see? You tack it very well so that it will hold it. So after that, you cut the excess thread, you cut it away. Then you take your bridal bun, you put it inside. Can you see what I'm doing? Please pay attention, guys, and you find this tutorial very lovely at the end. So you insert the bridal bun inside through the extension. Can you see what I'm doing here? Then you comb it very well. After that, you go ahead and you spread it all over the bridal bun just for it to cover it up. Can you see? You cover it up, make sure it's neat. Then you use your tail comb just to brush it very well to make it look smooth. After when you're done, you go ahead and you spray your Got2b glue. The spray, you spray it on it just to hold it very well, and it will not make the excess one coming out, as you can see, to make everything smooth together. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? So make sure you spray the Got2b very well to it. After that, you use your take home just to dress it as well for you to get a proper look. Can you see? Make sure everything is neat. Then use your hand to adjust it as well. So after that, can you see the way I'm changing it just to give it a perfect look? Make sure you dress it very well. Then after that, you spray your Nova spray for extra hold. Can you see, guys? Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And guys, let me know in the comment section if this video is helpful and is another way of you making money at home. You can decide to do as much as possible and you sell it for your loved ones. Is another method of making business. Yes, it's another method of making money, guys. So after spraying the Nova spray, you go ahead and you use your take comb as well, just to comb it very well again for a proper look. Then use your hand to dress it, as you can see what I'm doing on your screen. Then after that, you need your rubber band. You use your hand just to hold it firm. Then you use your rubber band to hold it firm. Can you see? You hold it twice. Make sure you dress it very well. Then you use your rubber band to hold it. Yeah. Can you see? Make sure you cover everything. Yeah. Can you see, guys? This is how it will look like. Then after that, you go ahead again and you spray your got2b again, just for the final look. Then you go ahead and you begin to trim the excess extension. Can you see what I'm doing here? You trim the excess extension away. Then after trimming it, the remaining one, you chook it inside with the take comb. You chook it inside very well, just for you to secure it. Then after, when you are done securing the left one inside properly, you go ahead and you trim the net as well. You trim the net. After trimming the net, then you attach your clip at the two sides, just for it to stay on its own. Then you are done for this lovely tutorial. So guys, let me know in the comment section. This is the final look of the tutorial, and this is exactly how it's going to look like on your head. You can do it on your own. You don't need to go to any salon. You just spark your hair and you fix it. You can do any color of your choice, and this is the final look of the bun, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you love the outcome and if the video is helpful. Then if you have any question, please let me know. Go ahead. If you have any tutorial in mind that you want me to do, let me know in the comment section and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye. I love you all.